Good morning. It's Friday. It's the 14th of July. Looking at the screen today, everything is green. Everything is up with the exception of the dollar, which is down. Looking at some of the news we're seeing this morning as to why grains are up. We've had a two-day hard sell-off in the market, seeing some bounce now. Whether it's related to some moderation in thoughts about improving weather or not is we're not sure. One thing is for sure, it's still a weather market situation, which is the peak of volatility. So you have to be very careful about that. Cotton market is up some. Global stock market's mostly higher. The U.S. is slightly lower. And looking at some data that will be important today, we'll be looking at 7:30 Central Time, the CPI data. It'll give some hint as to the future of interest rates, and perhaps will be a signal to the stock market that could be positive. In addition to that, Janet Yellen's testimony for 2 days before Congress has been taken in a somewhat dovish way in terms of interest rate hikes. Seems to be moderating what she's been saying there. Let's take a look at the markets. We've got December cotton up 17 at 66.54, a high of 66.75, a low of 66.31. November soybeans are up 6 3/4 at 9.94 1/4, a high of 9.97 1/4, a low of 9.84. December corn up 5 1/4 at 3.88 1/4, a high of 3.89 1/4, a low of 3.83. September wheat up 5 at 5.16 3/4, a high of 5.18, a low of 5.11 1/2. The crude oil market's up 55 cents a barrel in August crude at 46.63. Dollar down 9. Gold up 3. Silver up 1 cent. And last trade on the S&P futures index is down 1. So let's take a look at the calendar. I mentioned CPI today at 7:30. We also have business inventories at 7:30, real earnings at 7:30, retail sales at 7:30. Then at 8:15 this morning, this is all Central Time, capacity utilization and industrial production. So we could have some interesting things happening today, and it's a Friday, and it's still a weather market. So we've got that to look forward to. That's it. Have a good day. We'll talk to you later. Thank you.